Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for Dior? Are you ready? Let's do it. So as you can see, the first item of this haul is already on my head. Yes, I am so into the hats these days. So yes, I got myself the oblique, just a baseball hat. It's very plain, you know, I mean, not really plain. Those who knows the pattern, you know, they will know what it is, but I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I'm looking at the viewfinder. I think it looks really nice. And I do wear a lot of like denim, a lot of blue, and of course I'm wearing a blue shirt today with my Dior brooch, which I got a couple of years ago. I love this brooch, it just goes with everything. So anyway, yeah, I got myself, actually I got two hats. I'm gonna show you the second hat, which is even better. But I think I'm gonna start with something that came in this box. So obviously you guys, this is not like a true unboxing. I kind of looked at everything already, but this was something that I was kind of looking at the websites and, you know, the stores, whatever I get a chance. And I was going back and forth, and I said, you know, I really want to have it. So I bought it. This is Dior oblique. I think it's called like a shawl. If I can link it exact thing below, I will. I promise. It is huge. It is absolutely ginormous. Let me just show you guys. Can you see this? I'm gonna stand up. You can't even see me. I mean, this is huge. I'm pretty sure this is the same size as the, I think it's like 140 by 140, as the Hermes, those cashmere shawls. There's a little detail here on one side. Let me just show you guys. It says Christian Dior right there. So it's like, you know, it's like a little element here. But overall, you know, it's obviously, it's all the oblique pattern, you know. So those who knows, they know. And it's a very kind of a nice combination. Let me see if I can find the tag. So this is a really good combination of fabrics. It's the silk, it's the wool, and it's the cotton. So it's not gonna get like, you know, like wrinkled or anything like that. I think it's very pleasant, you know. It feels, I can definitely tell there's some cotton, and the silk gives a little bit of like a sheen to this, but it's very, very subtle. It's not like, you know, super shiny or anything like that. Yeah, I think it's really, really nice. I love it. So let me see, maybe I can wear it. There we go. This is how it looks on me. It is huge. It's huge, but it's really, really nice. I love it. I love the Hermes scarf that I've got recently, this huge cashmere and silk scarf. This is kind of similar. Is not, I'm gonna say, is not as soft as the Hermes, because Hermes has a cashmere. You know, so this one has more like a wool. So I'm really hoping that this scarf, this shawl, I'm hoping that it's not gonna be, you know, snagging as bad as the Louis Vuitton shawls, which I love. I love them, don't get me wrong. But they snag horribly. It looks like this might be a little bit better fabric that is not snagging so much. You know, I wear a lot of white shirts. Like, I love the white like button down shirts. I thought it's just gonna go so, it's gonna look so stylish, you know, if I put a white button down shirt and just kind of drape this around. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna go nice. So nice. Yeah, it's probably too much for the hat. What do you guys think? It's maybe too much. All right, let me show you the next thing what I've got, because this is something that I've been already wearing quite a few times, and I don't know, like some people are like staring at me. And I know maybe my city is not so fashion forward, but you know, I think they like it. So are you ready to see? Da 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 da! Oh my gosh! This is even better. So I got a Dior bucket hat. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Again, it's in an oblique pattern. It has this little detail here at the end, and oh my god, this is so beautiful. I was stalking this on the website for months, okay, and I finally pulled the trigger. I got mine. Let me put this on. Oh, my hair got flat, but I got mine in size, I think it is 56 centimeters, because I think it's like a standard women 56, 57, and I think it's perfect. What do you guys think? You can obviously like maybe flip it this way if you want to wear it like that. This might work, or just, you know, keep it straight, or one side up, one side straight. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cute. Oh, I love this bucket hat. So like I said, I wore it quite a few times already, and people were like staring and, you know, kind of, you know, well, it's not Los Angeles or New York. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it ridiculous to wear it in Little Rock? But hey, I did to Kroger, I did my groceries. I'm feeling fashion forward. Alright guys, so let's unpack the last item of this haul. So it's gonna be a total of 4. There's one more, but I think I'm gonna put it in a separate video because it feels kind of special. But I kind of went oblique crazy. So I got a pair of shoes. And if you guys are not new to my channel, you already know that I own the Solar sneakers from Dior. I don't think they make them anymore. Those are like a slip-on sneakers, which are also like oblique. But you know, these were always on my mind, and I just went for it. So let me show you. Ta-da! So I forgot what they call them exactly, but these are like, you know, these reminds me of this kind of a old-fashioned kind of tennis shoes, trainer shoes, you know, with the rubber bottom, which I was never a fan of. You know, if you think about like Vans and all those kind of shoes that people buying, I don't know, I'm just never into it, but I just went for it. I cannot talk about the comfort yet or anything, you know, they obviously fit, but I didn't wear them. So they are still brand new. I wanted to show you guys first before I'm gonna wear them. But they're very nice. They have some nice, you know, details, like there's a Christian Dior, you know, written here on the laces. You know, there's obviously on the thong that it says Christian Dior. And, you know, again, if someone knows the pattern, the oblique pattern, they will recognize there's some Christian Dior markings in here. But overall vibe of these shoes, it's kind of like cool, sporty, I would say. So we'll see. But yeah, surprisingly, I've never owned any kind of shoes with this kind of, you know, sole and this kind of a rubber front. Never. But I hope they're gonna be nice. I hope they're gonna be comfortable, you know. And again, it's the same oblique pattern. What do you guys think? Let me know. And especially let me know if you own these shoes, because I know there's a couple of YouTubers who actually do have these shoes, and they love them so much. So I don't know. So far I've been just walking around the house, and you know, like I said, I wanted to do this haul before I take the shoes outside and test it out. So anyway, I mean, they're cute. You cannot go wrong with these. Alright guys, so this is it for today. So I got my 4 beautiful oblique items. I went a little oblique crazy, and like I mentioned, there's one more thing, and it is a handbag. I'm just gonna give you a little hint. So I will be recording, I'll be doing, showing you that video pretty soon, hopefully. And yeah, I just thought it was kind of special because I never really thought I would buy this bag. So yeah, if you know, but if you know what bag I bought it, please leave a comment down below. And also let me know if you own any of those items, and if you like them, if you like carry them and enjoy them. I don't know, I love it. So I think the bucket hat and the scarf is like my number one. Those are probably my favorites. So yeah, hopefully the shoes will work as well. And I can, you know, like I said, I wear a lot of denim, so hopefully this will work, and you cannot go wrong with the baseball cap. This hat is like not so much into your face, obviously, because it doesn't says Christian Dior like a bucket hat, but I love it. I think it's so cute. So yeah, I'm into it. Okay guys, so this is it for this video today. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my new items. Yes, I went a little bit crazy on Dior. But hopefully everything will work out, and you know, you cannot go wrong with the scarf and all of this. So yeah, I'm looking forward to use those items, obviously, and let me know what you guys think. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and remember to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like the luxury, if you like makeup, some beauty items, perfumes, or just even some cookings, you know, that's channel for you. So basically, yeah, give me a follow and obviously the thumbs up. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see your comments, you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.